Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prevent Bluetooth from automatically turning off on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to large icons and select power options. And now in here you just need to select the balanced, and after selecting it, close it up here. And now go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Opens up a troubleshoot setting. Click on open it. Select the other troubleshooters and select the Bluetooth troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instruction. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem guys. After finishing this, close it off here. And now if you are in a laptop, you could disable aeroplane mode through network and internet setting. For that you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select network and internet. On right side you can able to see the option listed over here, aeroplane mode. You just need to toggle it to off position. After turning off, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.